For thousands of years, the Black Sea has hidden its secrets beneath a dark and almost unreachable layer of water. Ancient cities disappeared along its shores. Merchant ships vanished during violent storms. Entire crews sailed into the darkness and were never seen again. Most people believed that whatever had sunk into these waters would have been destroyed long ago. But deep beneath the surface, nearly 2 kilometers below the waves, scientists detected something that should not have survived. At first, it appeared as nothing more than a strange shape on the seafloor. The research vessel slowly moved across the Black Sea while advanced sonar equipment scanned the darkness below. The scientists were not searching for treasure. They were studying ancient coastlines, trying to understand how the Black Sea had changed over thousands of years. But then a mysterious object appeared on their monitors. It was long, it was symmetrical, and it looked almost impossible. The sonar image appeared to show the outline of a ship. Not a modern ship, not a steel warship from the 20th century. This vessel appeared to be made entirely of wood. The object rested silently on the seabed, hidden beneath water so deep that no human diver could safely reach it. The scientists immediately changed course. They positioned their research vessel directly above the mysterious shape and prepared a remotely operated underwater vehicle. The machine was equipped with powerful lights, cameras, mechanical arms, and instruments designed to explore places humans could never reach. As the vehicle descended, sunlight disappeared. The blue water slowly turned black. Hundreds of meters below the surface, the cameras could see almost nothing beyond the narrow beam of the vehicle's lights. The pressure increased with every meter. The temperature dropped, and the scientists watched silently as the machine continued deeper into the Black Sea. After a long descent, the seabed finally appeared. A layer of pale sediment stretched across the darkness. For several moments, there was nothing. Then the underwater vehicle turned. Its lights moved across the seafloor and illuminated something large. The scientists could barely believe what they were seeing. A wooden ship was lying in front of them, but this was not the broken remains of a vessel. It was not simply a pile of rotting timber scattered across the seabed. The ship still had its shape, its sides were visible, its mast was still standing. The rowing benches remained in position. Even the steering system at the back of the vessel appeared to have survived. For more than 2,000 years, this ship had rested in complete darkness, untouched by divers, waves, or sunlight. And somehow, it was still there. The vessel measured approximately 23 meters from one end to the other. It was covered in sediment, but much of the wooden structure remained recognizable. The scientists carefully moved the underwater vehicle around the wreck, recording every possible angle. The closer they looked, the stranger the discovery became. Parts of the ship that should have vanished centuries ago were still visible. The mast rose from the deck, wooden beams remained connected. Rowing benches could still be identified. Objects appeared to remain inside the vessel's hold. It was as if the ship had sunk only recently and had been frozen in time. But the vessel had not been underwater for decades. It had been there for more than 2,400 years. The discovery was made by an international group of scientists working on the Black Sea Maritime Archaeology Project. For 3 years, the team had explored the depths of the Black Sea. Their original mission was to investigate changes in sea level and locate the remains of ancient settlements that might once have existed along the coastline. But during their expeditions, they discovered dozens of shipwrecks from different periods of history. Some belonged to the Roman Empire, others came from the Byzantine and Ottoman eras. They found merchant ships that had once carried amphorae filled with wine, oil, and other valuable goods. They discovered Cossack warships from the 17th century. Each vessel revealed something about the people who had once crossed these dangerous waters, but the ship now appearing on their screens was different from anything they had found before. Its unusual design suggested that it came from the ancient Greek world. The scientists studied the shape of the hull, the mast, the rowing positions, and the steering equipment. Everything pointed to a vessel built more than 2 millennia ago. But there was one strange problem. Ships like this were not supposed to exist anymore. Until that moment, historians had only seen similar vessels in ancient paintings and pottery. One of the most famous examples appears on an ancient Greek vase known as the Siren Vase. The vase, created around 480 BC, shows a scene from the legendary journey of Odysseus. According to the story, Odysseus and his crew had to sail past the Sirens, mysterious creatures whose beautiful songs caused sailors to lose control and crash their ships. Odysseus ordered his men to block their ears with wax, but he wanted to hear the Sirens' song himself, so he commanded his crew to tie him tightly to the mast and refused to release him no matter how much he begged. The image on the vase shows Odysseus tied to the mast while his ship passes through the dangerous waters. For centuries, historians examined this image to understand what ancient Greek ships might have looked like, but no complete example of such a vessel had ever been found. Then scientists discovered the ship at the bottom of the Black Sea. Its structure looked remarkably similar to the vessel painted on the ancient vase. The mast, the rowing positions, the shape of the hull, the steering system, it was as though an image from Greek mythology had suddenly become real. The ship may have once carried traders across the Black Sea. Its crew could have transported wine, grain, olive oil, pottery, metals, or other valuable goods between ancient settlements. The vessel may have visited ports belonging to civilizations whose cities have now disappeared. Its sailors would have relied on the stars, the coastline, and their knowledge of the sea to navigate. There were no engines, no radios, no satellite systems. When storms appeared, the crew had little protection. At some point during its journey, something went terribly wrong. Perhaps the ship was caught in a powerful storm. Perhaps the vessel began taking on water. Or perhaps its crew was unable to reach the coast before the ship disappeared beneath the waves. What happened to the sailors remains unknown. No written record describes the ship's final voyage. No surviving document names its captain. The vessel simply vanished from history. It sank deeper and deeper until it reached the bottom of the Black Sea. Normally, a wooden ship would not survive for thousands of years underwater. Marine organisms would slowly consume the timber. Currents would tear the structure apart, waves and sediment would scatter its remains. Within centuries, almost nothing recognizable would be left. But the deepest parts of the Black Sea are unlike most other seas. Below a certain depth, the water contains almost no oxygen. Without oxygen, many of the organisms that normally destroy wood cannot survive. There are also no powerful surface waves 2 kilometers below the water. No divers disturbed the site, no fishermen dragged nets across the ship. The vessel remained hidden in cold, dark, motionless water. The same environment that made the bottom of the Black Sea deadly also protected the ship. For more than 2,000 years, it rested in conditions that acted like a natural preservation chamber. The scientists realized they might be looking at the oldest completely preserved shipwreck ever discovered. But they faced an enormous problem. The ship was almost 2 kilometers below the surface. Raising it would be extremely dangerous. The wooden structure had been protected by deep water for thousands of years. The moment it reached oxygen and sunlight, it could begin to deteriorate. Even small changes in pressure, temperature, or moisture might destroy parts of the ship. Instead of attempting to lift the entire vessel, the researchers carefully removed only a small fragment of wood. This fragment could reveal the true age of the ship. The sample was sent for radiocarbon dating. When the results returned, they confirmed what the scientists had suspected. The vessel came from the ancient Greek period and had been lying on the seabed for more than 2,400 years. The discovery shocked archaeologists around the world. For the first time, they could examine a real ancient vessel that had previously been known only through artwork. Every part of the wreck could reveal new information. The tools used to build it, the way the wooden beams were connected, the position of the rowing benches, the shape of the steering system, the materials stored inside the hold. Even small details could change what historians know about ancient trade and shipbuilding, but the ship may also be hiding something even more important. The Black Sea was one of the most important maritime crossroads of the ancient world. Greek traders sailed between colonies along its shores. Roman ships transported soldiers and goods. Byzantine vessels connected distant cities. Ottoman fleets controlled major trade routes. For thousands of years, ships from different civilizations crossed the same dangerous waters. Many of them never returned. During only a few years of exploration, researchers discovered dozens of wrecks. That means hundreds, perhaps thousands, could still be hidden in unexplored areas of the seabed. Some may contain ancient cargo. Others may carry weapons, coins, personal belongings, or messages from civilizations that disappeared long ago. And because of the Black Sea's unusual oxygen-free depths, many of these ships may be preserved in ways scientists have never seen before. The 2,400-year-old Greek vessel may not be the greatest discovery hidden there. It may only be the first sign of what is still waiting in the darkness. Today, the ship remains where it was discovered, nearly 2 kilometers below the surface, its mast still rising from the deck, its rowing benches still in place, its cargo still hidden inside. It rests in complete silence, surrounded by freezing water and total darkness. The men who built it disappeared more than 2,000 years ago. The civilization that sent it across the sea has become ancient history, but the ship survived, and after remaining invisible for more than 2 millennia, it has finally allowed the modern world to see it again. The discovery has changed what scientists believed was possible. It proves that the deepest parts of our oceans and seas can preserve entire pieces of history. And somewhere beyond the lights of the research vehicle, countless other vessels may still be waiting. Ships from forgotten voyages, ships carrying lost cargo, ships whose crews vanished without leaving a trace. The bottom of the Black Sea is not simply a seabed, it is a massive underwater museum. A place where time appears to have stopped, and the ancient Greek ship may be only one of thousands of secrets buried beneath its dark waters.